Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 stuck in dark mode. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click Control Panel, click Personalization. Open settings one by one, change to Not Configured. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Contract Themes. Change to None. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.